guys, I'm back with part 2, and as I mentioned in part 1, the job market is behaving like a desi parent right now because you could be 100% qualified and it's still not enough. And अगर तो तुम इंटरनेशनल स्टूडेंट हो तो हाथ जोड़ के भगवान का नाम लेना शुरू कर दो। अगर तुम किसी अच्छे कॉलेज से ग्रेजुएट हुए हो, आई वुड से इट्स रीजनेबल टू एक्सपेक्ट कि तुम्हें एक फुल टाइम जॉब मिलेगा जिसमें तुम्हें अच्छी कॉम्पनसेशन मिलेगी, अच्छे बेनिफिट्स मिलेंगे, एंड इट्स नॉट अनरीजनेबल बिकॉज काफी लोगों को ये सब मिलता भी है। बट रिसेंटली आई हैव नोटिस्ड अ डिक्लाइन इन फुल टाइम जॉब्स and a rise in contract roles, especially in industries like biotech. As promised in part 1, this video is going to be all about contract roles. Basically, contract roles are like the situationships of the job world. Let me explain. तो जैसे हर सिचुएशनशिप में दो लोगों के बीच में अग्रीमेंट होता है कि हम इस स्पेसिफिक पीरियड ऑफ टाइम के लिए पुकी पुकी खेलेंगे एंड तू बॉयफ्रेंड बनेगा, मैं गर्लफ्रेंड बनूंगी, एंड वील डू एवरीथिंग दैट अ full time couple does without the actual full time commitment. Contract roles are actually very similar. You're hired for a specific duration of time. It could be 6 months, 8 months, 12 months or more, and you do the same job that a full time employee does but without the actual commitment of being hired as full time. And ये बात सब जानते हैं कि एक सिचुएशनशिप में इंसान की वैल्यू बहुत कम होती है as compared to a full time relationship. And guess what? Contract roles are exactly the same. So एक contract role में तुम्हें एक घंटे के हिसाब से सैलरी दी जाती है, and if you compare the salary to the salary full time employees make for doing the exact same job that you do, you'll notice that it's much lower. Not to mention कि बाकी के benefits like paid time off, dental, medical insurance जो full time employees को दिए जाते हैं वो contractors को नहीं दिए जाते. But hold on, I'm not here to convince you against doing contract roles. In fact, contract roles are a great opportunity. If you ask me why should you do a contract role, I'm gonna ask you why do you do situationships? सब जानते हैं कि हम situationships में इसीलिए आते हैं because हम लोगों की needs होती है, and these needs could be temporary or permanent, but in the need of the hour, we take what we get. And what's that one need of the hour that these roles fulfill? Work experience, guys! More often than not, it's the bigger companies that hire for contract roles, so these kind of experiences are extremely valuable on your resume. Not to mention, हर situationship थोड़ी रहती है, कुछ तो full time relationship में convert हो जाती है. Think of contract roles the same way. So अगर companies को तुम्हारा performance let's say बहुत पसंद आ जाता है, तो a lot of times they actually end up converting you to full time, and then you start enjoying the same benefits that full time employees do. And let's say तुम्हारी ये situationship full time relationship में convert नहीं भी होती है, तो तुम सीखते तो हो ना कुछ उससे. That same way, even if your contract roles don't get converted to full time, you learn so much from them and you have so much to add on your resume. Don't be a dumbass and reject a contract role like I did once because you need the experience. Okay, one more important thing. While these contracting companies may not offer a high pay or other benefits, they do have immigration teams that end up helping you with your H-1B sponsorship, so that's something very important to keep in mind. All the best!